Skyscrapers are a concentrated and organized effort of architecture, technology, and business. Each one is tougher to build than the last. The stress on materials and structure grows exponentially, while the need for power and safety increases as well. The tallest skyscraper in New York currently is the One World Trade Center, which is 1,776 feet high and was built using a combination of prefabricated parts at a fair rate of time, but it costs $3.9 billion. This huge price tag resulted from the high maintenance cost, increased utility cost, as well as from security expenses. To discover this tallest building may cost anything between $1.2 billion, which is sure to break more records into history. Today, we'll go through some of the tallest skyscrapers in New York in the future. But before anything else, please make sure that you're already subscribed to this channel, and you may want to click the notification bell beside it to be notified when we post new videos like this one. Number 5. 50 Hudson Yards. The building 50 Hudson Yards is being constructed. It has already reached a height of 1,011 feet and is scheduled to be finished in 2023. The fourth largest commercial tower in the city will be this cloud piercer, which spans an entire city block once the red ribbon is cut. The amenities-rich sky lobbies, manicured terraces, and easy access to the 7th subway at 50 Hudson Yards are intended to draw some major players as tenants. By adding additional stores, eateries, bike parking, and transportation connections at street level, the office tower will give something back to the community. Two massive works of art by Frank Stella, which celebrate the city's artistic heritage and entice people inside, liven up the building's vibrant public entrance lobbies. The property's incredibly desirable characteristics are already drawing the attention of Fortune 500 businesses who are snatching up some substantial square feet before it is even finished. In fact, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, will lease 1.2 million square feet over 22 stories, while BlackRock, a renowned global financial business, plans to lease roughly 1 million square feet of retail space over 15 floors. Number 4. Brooklyn Tower. The Brooklyn Tower, a super tall skyscraper that stands taller than the Chrysler Building at 93 stories and 1,066 feet tall, completely transforms the New York City skyline. Its eye-catching design creates an expressive conversation between Brooklyn's history and present, brought to market by JDS Development Group with an envelope created by award-winning shop architects. The project includes the nearby Dime Savings Bank, rehabilitating its historically significant interiors and taking cues from its distinctive neoclassical patterns and patterning. The 150 condominium homes of Brooklyn Tower, which start at the 53rd level and have floor plans ranging from studios to 4 bedrooms, enjoy breathtaking views of the city and the water. Godshot Studios, an 8100 interior design business, developed each property with the goal of producing a sophisticated look that is filled with warmth and welcome. Richly layered finishes and custom design elements like hexagonal mosaic flooring, antique rubbed bronze detailing, and rich mahogany are used to create a peaceful interior environment. High ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and European white oak flooring in a sophisticated honey stain are features found in every residence. Number 3. 270 Park Avenue. The largest bank in the United States, JP Morgan Chase & Company, paid $208 million to TF Cornerstone and MSD Capital, the owners of Grand Central Station, after waging a daring battle to acquire the air rights above Park Avenue and 46th Street. Not to mention a large sum of money for St. Bart's, the colloquial name for St. Bartholomew's Episcopal Church. What justifies such lavish spending? To surpass other well-known skyscrapers in Midtown East like the Chrysler Building and One Vanderbilt by rising as high as possible. 270 Park Avenue was an existing building as opposed to the other skyscrapers on this list that arose from former city train yards. This inconspicuous building in the form of a tidy Jenga tower previously rose to a height of 708 feet and was formerly known as the Union Carbide Building. It was the tallest voluntarily demolished building in the world in 2018 and will be replaced by a new skyscraper that would surpass One World Trade Center as the second tallest commercial structure in New York. However, that is only true if 270 Park Avenue soars 1,425 feet into the air. According to some estimates, the new JP Morgan headquarters would reach a height of 1,388 feet, making it the sixth tallest structure in the city. Before we continue, please make sure to like the video and leave a comment. Number 2. The Spiral. The project extends the green space of the abandoned train tracks in a spiraling motion towards the sky and is situated at the intersection of the High Line and Hudson Boulevard on Manhattan's new western edge. The hybrid building, which stands 306 meters tall, combines offices on every level with a visually continuous green corridor. In order to accommodate a diverse community of tenants, the spiral chain of amenity spaces and terraces starts at the building's main entrance, which is located at the intersection of 34th Street and Hudson Boulevard, and wraps around the tower as it gradually gets slimmer towards the top. This makes the building a vibrant and welcoming environment for companies of all sizes. The spiral establishes a new benchmark for the workplace by integrating nature into the working environment and providing flexible space elements that can be altered to meet the shifting needs of tenants and their organizations. The building's stepped shape is reminiscent of New York City's iconic ziggurat-shaped towers, while also pushing the boundaries of contemporary architecture and putting it to the fast track to becoming a landmark in the Manhattan skyline. Number 1. 2 World Trade Center. One of New York City's most notable skyscrapers, 2 World Trade Center, will forever change the distinctive skyline of Lower Manhattan with a planned height of 1,270 feet just below the clouds. But because there aren't many new tenants, construction hasn't exactly gotten going right away. Despite the setback, Silverstein Properties, the project's developer, is counting on the innovative architectural firm Jark Ingels Group to produce a stunning masterpiece that stands out significantly from other nearby structures. It's a big task, but big will probably do it excellently. After all, the Danish company was responsible for the world record-breaking 1,550-foot Central Park Tower, which has established itself as the tallest residential structure in the world. More than 20 of the building's 179 apartment units cost more than $60 million each. So what are your thoughts about the tallest skyscrapers in New York in the future? Let me know your answers in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. You can also visit our channel and check out our other videos that we've uploaded to have a glimpse of more luxurious videos brought to you by the Luxe Luxury channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.